Per Inside EVs, the BYD Seagull was China's best-selling car in August 2024, with 46,830 units sold. Starting at just under $10,000, the Seagull offers a 30 kWh battery and a range of 190 miles. Buyers can upgrade to a 38 kWh battery for around $12,000, increasing the range to 252 miles, though real-world range is closer to 186 miles. BYD dominated China's market last month, with 7 of the top 10 bestsellers, including the Qin Plus, which sold 42,765 units, and the Seagull Plus, with 39,799 units. In total, BYD sold 373,000 plug-in vehicles in August, including 148,470 fully electric models. BYD plans to bring the Seagull to Europe next year, where it will likely cost over $20,000 due to tariffs. You are listening to Yuan News.